Okay, good. So continue, number 17. If one's heart can see his own error. So see, okay, see now is being understood in double quote. Okay, so what does it mean? There is no external separation between his heart and his erva. Even if the erva is covered, as when he's wearing an unbelted robe, it is forbidden to him for him to recite the sacred texts. Okay, let's read 17.3 and explain. When a person's own erva is not covered, he may not recite sacred text in any case. So 73 says if he, like in simple words, if he does not have his underpants, right, so he cannot say any blessings. Okay. But Kitzur referred to if he has a robe and he does not have his underpants for whatever reason. So he cannot say blessings because his heart sees, double quote, sees his erva, and in private parts. Rather, in order for it to be permitted, he must wear pants that snug on his body. So for us, of course, Kitzur was written some few hundred years ago, I think. For us, like our underpants, that's enough. That's a good separation. Or wear a belt around the waist. So, or this belt or a belt from a rope. So if a rope has a belt, it's a solution to all of the issues. Or if you have underpants, no problem. Or he put his arms on his rope across his body. So basically, what it says here, so he presses this rope to his body. It's like it works like a belt, right? To make a separation. Commentary 74. When he is not wearing a robe, and his erva is covered, such as when he's under the blanket, he may create a separation by wrapping his arms across his body, and as if he's hugging himself. His hands may not touch, may not be touched his body. His hands may not be touching his body. Okay, Mishnah Brura. So basically, if he does not have belts, that does not have these underpants, so basically he has to create some kind of separation. So example before it, he was in a robe. In this case, he's under the blanket. So make sure that wrap your blanket tight, and even as I say, like hug yourself, meaning press the blanket against your bodies, and it's would be sufficient. So as to separate between his heart and erva. So as we said, and it's going to work. A woman does not need to make these separations, meaning from her private parts. Commentary. She may recite sacred texts as long as she's private parts are covered. So, all right. Covered, provided she's in sitting position. Okay, Mishnah Brura. So it's a little leniently for women, but it's understandable why. Okay.